What up, YouTube? Today is the last day of round 3. We are going to be hitting legs. First exercise is a static hold, 250 pounds. Here we go. Someone left weight on the Smith machine, so I'm going to do this in the meantime just in case someone is using it. And then we'll jump into squats. Oops. Not what I meant to do. Okay. Ooh. Those feel really good. It's a different kind of movement I'm not used to. So I was right. Someone is using the Smith machine. So I'm going to just jump on the leg press. I'm not going to wait. So I've been doing 6 plates, and every week I've been going up in reps. But today, I think what I want to do is less weight, more reps. So let's do 5 plates instead of 6. And let's see how many reps I can get to failure. All right, so 5 plates. Let's make sure video is recording. It is. All right. I have no idea how many reps I can do on this, but it should be close to 20, which will be in the higher rep range, which I'm starting to think legs, that's what I need to start doing is higher reps to stimulate growth. All right, here we go. That was 20. I'm gonna do a short rest pause and a couple more. Who put the Fox Says on at the gym? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think we're hitting PRs with this on. So I was really close to failure on there. I want to do a couple more. I really want to hit failure today on these. Okay, yep. Whew. Oh yeah, the burn's real. I already did the leg extension, but I'm pretty sure the video cut out. So I've already done this once. Calf raise on the leg curl machine, leg press. I'm gonna do this one more time to really hit that nail on the hammer with this. Okay. Workout complete. So I definitely have to make a video on what all I've learned so far from doing HIIT. There's certain good things and then certain things for me personally that I don't know. So like today, every time I've hit legs, they've gotten stronger. But as far as noticing any results, it's been too soon. But I've done 3 rounds of HIIT now, going over a month and a half, and again I've gotten stronger, and maybe I've put on some muscle, but in all these workouts I've never been sore really. And today I just wanted to do at least 2 to 3 sets So I actually would be sore tomorrow and the next day. But I think I'm at a place right now where I'm definitely going to change up my workout. There's certain things I for sure want to keep that definitely worked, but as far as volume, I want to increase volume on certain parts, like the legs. For sure, the volume needs to go up, and maybe certain areas that I want to improve, I want to include at least 2 sets on the lacking areas. I do like how the days of rest in between ensures that every time I go back that I'm getting stronger because I'm not going so often. But as far as certain things that I want to improve on, I don't know. I do feel like if I stuck with this for a whole year, I would make gains, but maybe it's part of the old me that's addictive to just being in the gym. One thing I do know for sure is if you missed a whole week, you're not going to lose strength. That myth has been busted. So you can actually take a week off and not have to worry about getting weaker. My thing is now is just tweak little tweaks and trying to figure out with my body what makes sense and what works. And there's just certain areas in order for me to become more aesthetic that I'm going to have to make some small adjustments. Certain things I really like, but like for example, I love the palm up, pull down, really like that. But the deadlift is probably one I want to stay away from. I just don't see, I'm not doing powerlifting and I don't want to get injured. I want to be aesthetic, look good and feel good. And I don't think the risk reward is there with the deadlift. I would much rather do a pullover for my back than do that movement. But yeah, I'm at a kind of weird place with it. There's a lot of stuff I've learned, but now I kind of want to make an adjustment. And I know I've done it long enough to see what works and what doesn't. And we'll see. Y'all let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Because I'm kind of in a weird position. Like right now, my legs are pumped from just doing that extra set. And I'm thinking if I could hit my legs closer to twice a week, that I would see a little bit more gains than just doing it almost once a week or once every other week or so. Like, I don't think that's enough. My legs seem to enjoy the more volume that it gets versus just heavy weight and low volume. Y'all let me know in the comments below, and we will see you in the next one.